The moment young people react quickly like this. Or like the car lying across the train tracks like you see here. Or like the case in the tunnel where there are no lights. You see, the wheel fell off while driving on the road. Why is that? First, I need to welcome you to today's new video. Let's find out together. Let's go. This first moment was unbelievable. The wheel fell off. There are no lights in the tunnel, and no speed warnings or observation outside. How irresponsible. The ship is facing two other ships. What is the ship control station doing? You should check your car regularly. The problem comes from the wheel. The moment I was praising the motorcyclist, he followed the rules and reacted very quickly when there was an unexpected situation. Thank you for watching the video. Please give your comments to improve the channel to help viewers receive useful values. The car was driving too fast in a crowded residential area, and the consequences came immediately. How do you feel about the video? Please give us feedback to improve it to receive positive values. Who is the stupid one in this situation? I can hardly tell, but everyone moves slowly and safely. What's wrong with the car? Why isn't anyone helping him? It's unbelievable at this moment. Thanks again for watching the video, appreciate these first few minutes. Please comment on what this moment was like. Oh, luckily at this moment, the two girls are still safe. The drivers are so irresponsible. If you feel unhappy witnessing these moments, I understand and sympathize with you. Another train accident, but fortunately the train had slowed down completely. Oh. The car has completely transformed. I'm really not happy at all. I hope you pay attention to traffic safety. Finally, I wish everyone all the best, wish everyone safe driving.